going to show you how to go super glam in the matter of literally like 2 minutes or less. So I'm going to show you how to use this Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerise, and this is the shade Rose Gold. It is so pretty. So I have basically got all my makeup done, got like a little bit of eyeshadow on, I haven't got any mascara or eyeliner on, and I haven't got any kind of like shimmer. So I am just going to use my finger. And I'm just going to take some on the back of my hand, just because I like to have a bit of control, and honestly a little goes a long way. Then when I put it down, I'm just going to put the lid back on so the rest of the product doesn't dry out. A little bit from the back of my hand on my finger, and I'm just going to tap onto my eyelid. And hopefully you can see the shimmer already. It is so pretty, honestly. Oh my god. Right. You can build it up, so I'm just going to take a little bit more in the back of my hand. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just kind of blend out the edges so it doesn't look messy. And I'm kind of concentrating on my lid here. If it goes into the crease, obviously it's fine, but shimmery lids. Then I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm just going to highlight my inner corners, which is what I love to do anyway. But as this is so highlighty, I'm just going to highlight my inner corners there. Taking it up right around the tear duct. You see how nice that looks. I love this bit of eyeliner. I'm not going to do a cat eye or anything, or a flick. I'm literally just defining my lashes. I've already lined my waterline, so yeah, that is one eye done. It just looks so pretty. Right, I'm just going to do the other eye quickly. I'm going to take some more product on the back of my hand. Probably don't need it anymore, I've got enough. What we'll do for this eye, I'll apply it with the brush just so you can see if there's any difference or not. I'm going to tap all over my lid. Obviously with the brush you've got more control. But I'm using a fairly flat, dense brush and I'm just tapping it on. I've obviously got more control of the product, and obviously the brush has picked up quite a bit of product, so there's really less product on my lid, which is fine because it's still so shimmery. I'm going to use a fluffy brush again just to blend out the edges. Pencil brush. I just showed you with my fingers just because if you're like at work or like a place where you can't really like carry makeup brushes and everything with you, like you can literally still do it with your fingers. Not cat-eyeing or looking. Now if I just add a little bit of mascara, you'll be able to see the whole eye look just come together really well. So this is the final look done with both eyes, the mascara and the Eyes to Mesmerise, but I just love this Eyes to Mesmerise eyeshadow. It's just so nice. I'm not usually a fan of creamy eyeshadows because I find that they do crease on me because I think my lids are actually quite greasy. I obviously did prime my lids first, and I've got I did put like a powder eyeshadow on underneath, but generally like I've worn this before and I've worn it out on really hot days and it doesn't budge. Like once it's on, it doesn't budge, and it feels like it gets more and more shimmery throughout the day. It looks so pretty and shimmery, like in candlelight as well. So yeah, that is my quick eye glam tutorial. Just quick, easy, so quick and easy to use, and just like you can literally get like total glam in like 2 minutes.